Yes. Yes, my Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention from the hearing list, item 7, Your Lordship. This is a consensus prayer, Your Lordship. This matter may be listed on 24th of this month, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of the consensus for the parties, list on 24th. Okay. Right.
Oh, bless Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8.
Item number?
8. Lordship, I'm standing on behalf of the counsel for the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner is unable to appear today due to medical emergency. So that matter, if Your Lordship may allow us take matter 2 weeks.
April 28th on the prayer of the council for the petitioner, list on 28th of April. Okay.
Oh, bless Your Lordship.
What the parties going to?
May this Lordship. Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition, Lordship. I am for respondent number 4 and 5.
Notice in this case was issued. What's your good name?
The Blue Marful, Lordship.
Mr. W. Marhu, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 4 and 5, seeking some more time to file affidavit in this matter. Notice in this case was issued on 07/06/2023, and the respondent number 4 and 5 had entered appearance in this matter on 20/07/2023, and since then seeking time to file affidavit in the matter. Considering the prayer of the council for the respondent numbers 4 and 5, time is granted to those respondents to file their respective affidavits on or before 23rd of April. Make it, don't write 23rd, 25th of April. Failing which, this matter shall proceed ex parte against those respondents. List on 29th of April. Bye.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, here the government is actually, the department actually is diligently pursuing the matter with the department, Your Lord, with the government, Your Lordship, to make the payment, Your Lordship. So sometime again may be granted to me, Your Lordship.
Lordship, if on the next occasion, if the matter can be disposed of, since 6 years, the petition has not been paid, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship. Understand, Your Lordship. So at least 4 weeks may be granted. So within that time, I'll incorporate all the status report, Your Lordship. The government is diligently pursuing, Your Lordship. It's an immediate liability unit.
Matter relates to admitted liability for payment of the dues payable to the petitioner for construction of type 1 quarter at 7th Nagaland Armed Police Battalion at Bhandari. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that since last 6 years, petitioner is pursuing the matter for the contractual dues which has not yet been paid by the respondents. Ms. Levical and government advocate appearing for the state respondent submitted that case of the petitioner is under due consideration and she is seeking time for further 4 weeks. Considering the urgency in the matter, the matter be listed again on 15th of May. On the said date, Ms. Levical and government advocate, Nagaland, shall apprise the court about the status of payment of admitted liability payable to the petitioner pertaining to the construction of such and such. Failing which the court shall consider to pass necessary order.
Obliged, Lordship.
Same, Your Lordship.
Just a minute. Construction of RCC type capital Roman 3 wooden bracket ground plus 1 bracket close 4 flats for staff quarters at 7th NAP Battalion Bhandari. Okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Which করে দিবা এটা which কইলে orders কেটা দিলে separate করেছে last second case to last line লিখিবা with
May I please, Your Lordship? Kindly grant me 3 weeks or 2 weeks of time to file my affidavit since I have sent for obtaining signature.
Matter relates to consideration of the case of the petitioner for regularization of her service on contingent compassionate ground. Who is serving as contingency saver. Though initially she was appointed as Walker's sweeper in the scale of pay. Notice in this case was issued on 13/12/2024, and the state respondents petitioner's representation is still pending before the respondent authorities for due consideration. That's it. Notice was issued such and such. Respondents are yet to file their affidavit. List on 15th May. In the meanwhile, the state respondents shall file their affidavit without fail. Pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar for the respondent authorities to consider and dispose of the representation of the petitioner in accordance with law and as per consideration for regulation of her service in accordance with law, as per her due entitlement, law enforce.
Vice Chair.
Why it has come for orders today?
Your Lordship.
See, it's not even a month.
Yes.
Notice was issued on 28th of March.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to wait for 30 days, only after 24th. Lekha, service, please write. Service report on respond number 8 is awaited. As per the office note dated 28/03/2025. Or you can change the sentence. As per the, where is the office note dated 28/03/2005? Service report on the respond number 8 is awaited. List on 6th of May.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, by order dated 25/3/2025, this court has sought for some instruction from the petitioner. And in compliance to that order, will be filing our affidavit today. Therefore, I pray that this matter may be listed after a week.
You have obtained the instruction from the
Yes,
petitioner?
Lordship, yes, we'll be
So-
filing by today.
Okay, so when you'll be filing your additional affidavit,
Lordship,
you are bringing in those instruction in a way of filing an additional
yes,
affidavit.
Lordship.
When will you file the additional affidavit? Tell us. Give us a date by which you will file the.
We'll be filing it by today.
You'll be
today
filing it by
itself,
today
yes,
itself.
Lordship.
Pursuant to the order of the court dated 25/03/2025. What's your good name?
Pim Hombeni Izong.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Miss put her name. Submitted that necessary instruction from the petitioner has already been received. And an additional affidavit shall be filed in the matter during the course of the day. When do you want?
Lordship, after a week.
Very weak. List on. Twenty-fourth of April.
Lordship, my apologies, Lordship. Not
Yes, yes, tell us when.
on 29.
You want on 29 first. List on 29. As prayed for.
Attachment.